We welcome you back. It's time for our daily holiday this morning. So we are marking Air Conditioning Appreciation Days. This holiday is celebrated during the dog days of summer, the period that's typically between July 3rd and August 15th. It's all about acknowledging the contribution of the air conditioner to, for a lot of people,
Yes.
myself included,
Yes,
a better way,
same
a better way of life. According to the book, How Air Conditioning Changed Everything, a California millionaire was the first person to try cooling an entire room using a machine. That was in the late 1800s. The first fully air-conditioned home was built back in 1913. It was in Minneapolis by a very rich man at the time. And an in-window AC unit in the 1940s would have cost you about $350.
Wow.
Yeah, that is today. That's the equivalent of about $3,500. So that's for just one unit in your window. That was a lot of money. You had to be very wealthy at the time to afford that. But I'm one of those people when I get really warm and whatever, I get kind of cranky. So Mike keeps the air conditioning at a nice level throughout the summer for his own sanity.